Parmar. Welcome back to the video lecture series of Digital Fundamentals. Today we will discuss binary conversions, octal conversions and hexadecimal conversions. So let's start with binary to hexadecimal conversions. So here we have a binary to hexadecimal conversions. Now this binary number can be converted into hexadecimal number by making group of 4 bits. As binary has a base of 2 and this hexadecimal has a base of 16. So 2 raised to 4 is equals to 16. So by making a group of 4 bit of a binary, we can convert this binary number into hexadecimal number. So to convert binary number into hexadecimal number system, we have to make a group of 4 bit of binary. Then for each and every 4 bit group, we write just its equivalent hexadecimal number. So how we can convert this binary number into hexadecimal? So let's take an example. Here we have a one binary pattern and this can be written into its hexadecimal form by making a group of 4 bit. This binary pattern is basically divided into 4 bit of binary. Then for each and every 4 bit we have its equivalent hexadecimal number. So we have a hexadecimal number 2CB.F3. As for B we have a value 1011. Now this 1011 basically 11 and in hexadecimal this 11 is written as a P. How we can write this? So take a look. So here this binary pattern 1011, this has a weight of 1248. Now this weight and symbol is basically multiply and these products are finally added. So we have a 11 and this 11 is equivalent to P. So this is how we can convert binary number into hexadecimal number by just making a group of 4 bit and then write its corresponding hexadecimal number for each and every 4 bit of binary group. Here we have a table for a binary to hexadecimal conversions. We have a 4 bit of binary pattern and its equivalent hexadecimal value. Here we have a 0000 which is equivalent to hexadecimal 0, then 0001 which is equivalent to hexadecimal 1 and so on, and for finally 1111 we have a 15. This 15 is basically written as a F. So this is how we can convert binary number to its equivalent hexadecimal form by just considering 4 bit of binary and then write its equivalent hex value. So this is how we can convert binary into hexadecimal. Now let's discuss how we can convert hexadecimal number into binary. So if 4 bit of binary is equivalent to 1 hex number, then 1 hex number is equivalent to 4 bit of binary. So by considering 4 bit of binary, we can write a hex number into binary value. Here we have an example. This hexadecimal can be converted into binary. Here we have this D5A9.CE and this is written like this. Each and every hex number has a 4 bit of binary pattern. This D has a binary pattern of 1101. Then this 5 has a binary pattern of 0101. So this is how we can write a hex number and its equivalent 4 bit of binary, and at the end we have a final result of a binary. So this is how by considering 4 bit of binary we can convert hex number into binary. Now let's discuss about octal to hexadecimal conversions. How we can convert octal to hexadecimal? So basically there is no method to convert octal to hexadecimal directly. So we have to just follow. First, we have to convert octal number into binary. Then this binary number is converted into hexadecimal number. This octal number is basically converted into binary by considering 3 bit. Then this binary pattern is converted into hexadecimal by making a group of 4 bit. So this is how we can make a conversion of octal number into hexadecimal number. Now let's take an example how we can do this. So here we have a one example. This octal number is converted into hexadecimal number. For this, just first write this octal number and its equivalent binary into 3 bits. So this binary number and its equivalent 3 bit of binary is written like this. Then make a group of 4 bits. Here we have no enough digits, so we can add just digits. So we can make a group of 4 bits. Then for this 4 bit of binary, we have its hexadecimal value. So this is how we can convert this octal number into hexadecimal. This octal number is first converted into binary number by writing octal and its equivalent of 3 bit of binary. Then this binary pattern is converted into hexadecimal by making a group of 4 bit. By making a group of 4 bit, then write each and every corresponding hex number for each binary pattern. So this is how we can convert octal to hexadecimal conversions. Now let's discuss about how we can convert hexadecimal to octal. So again, there is no direct method to convert hex number into octal. So to convert hex number into octal, we have to again follow this. Hexadecimal number is first converted into binary by writing 4 bits of equivalent for hex number. Then make a group of 3 bit of a binary and then write a octal number for each group of 3 bits. So this is how we can convert this hexadecimal number into octal. First hexadecimal number and convert into binary by making a group of 4 bit, and then for this binary pattern make a group of 3 bit and then write octal digit for each and every 3 bits. Now let's take an example. Here we have one example. Here this D5A9.CE can be converted into octal. So first for this D5A9 writes its equivalent 4 bit of binary, then make a group of 3 bits. You can add the zeros if we require, then writes its 3 bit equivalent of each and every octal. For 3 bit binary equivalent, we have a 1 octal number. So simply just write its equivalent octal number. So this is how we can convert hexadecimal number into octal. First consider hexadecimal number, then writes its 4 bit equivalent binary value, then make a group of 3 bits to convert into octal, and for 3 bit of binary write it corresponding octal digit. So this is how we can convert hexadecimal into octal. So that's it for the today's session. Thank you.